Welcome. This is a solution I created for automating user training with Salesforce Flow. All right, there's a few different flows that are going to be working in conjunction with this one, but we're mostly going to just look at this flow here. It's triggered when a user is created or when the custom picklist training stages on the user record is changed. So if user is created, we're going to go this way. We're going to send an email, create a training record, and post to chatter. If instead the training stage is updated, we're going to take one of these paths and they're going to continue along these paths until they complete their training. So let's go ahead and look at our user in the back end here. Here we have Dale. He is an active user. His manager is Max Power. You can see he currently has no permission sets assigned. And right here, that's the pick list I created. You can see he is currently in the new user training stage. All right, so let's go to the training record. I created the trainings object, and each user is only going to have one record in this example. All right, we've got some basic information at the top here, a start date, a due date, because we want them to complete their training by a certain date. And there's his manager again, good old Max Power. Here we have a quiz. I already filled out a couple of these. And then down here, we've got some system information, date complete. That'll be automatically filled in once the user completes the training. And then finally, down here at the bottom, we can see the first post to chatter that Dale has received. So when his user record was created, he got an email. And you got this post to chatter here with some links to documentation or videos. These could go to a company website or some other platform. I'm just using YouTube here. So let's go up and look at these quizzes. I'm using text fields instead of a lot of pick lists or radio buttons because those are pretty easy to brute force. But with these fields, you got to type in the correct answer. You can't move on to the next quiz. All right, so once we complete this first quiz, you can see that another quiz popped up here. Also, let's reload this page because that record trigger flow is going to run in the background and change the training stage, which will result in another chatter post and email. So another link here to some more documentation or materials. Let's go ahead and finish this quiz. We're going to pretend this quiz is the final quiz on this record. Right. I'm going to do a little spelling mistake here. Try and save it. All right, so we get some help, some error text here, some help text, so that the user has a better idea of what we're looking for. Can only put in so many characters. And if they can't get these right, then they have to go back and look at the documentation or the videos again to get the right answers and finish their training. All right, so that we're going to pretend that was the last quiz. You can see we completed it at this date and time. I'm going to reload this page. Take a look at the congratulatory message. Right, and there it is. Congratulations, Dale. There's his manager there again, and the assign button up here. So this is going to become visible when he completes his training to his manager, who can check the information here and make sure that everything looks good. This is the user. He has completed his training, and this is going to assign his permission set so that he can get started doing his work. So we're going to go ahead and do that. There we go. We're going to reload his user detail in the back end. Go take a look here. All right, scroll down. You can see his training is complete and he has been assigned his permission set so he can get to work. And that's how I did it. Let me know what you think about automated user training.